Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in our last video we exported these stylized rock model from Maya to Zbrush, and in this video we're going to sculpt these rocks. So let's start with subdividing these, and I'm going to go in the split. I'm going to split these rocks to 4 parts like this. So we'll select this the bigger one, go to geometry, and first we're going to go in the Dynamesh, increase the resolution, and then Dynamesh. Now let's turn this off and subdivide it. Click on this divide. So we are on 3 million polygons, which should be more than enough. Let's go back to tools and hide everything. I'm just going to keep this one in my viewport. So for this I'm going to go here in the standard and take this trim dynamic, increase the brush size, and just sculpt these hard edges, maybe a little bigger like this. So just keep sculpting and remove these hard edges like this. You can also use the flatten brush, but that will give us more realistic results. So we just want something like this, and I'm going to change the material for this mesh. So go here in the materials and select this madcap gray. So with pressing shift, let's smooth these things out and remove this. So now what we are going to do is we are going to go in our brushes. So go to light box, and in the brush we are going to select this orb brush, and let's take this orb slash, and make sure your stroke is set to drag rectangle. Just add one here and one on the top like this. If it's not deep enough, you can increase the intensity and then add again like this. One here, and now we are going to go back to that trim dynamic, decrease the brush size, and let's take focal shift to something like this, and smooth these corners out like this. Go to alpha and let's change it to this alpha 01. something like this. And if you want to add some noise on the surface of this rock, what you can do is you can go to this surface here, and in the noise increase the scale if you want more noise in your rock. Let's try this, and let's change this curve to something like this, and okay, and apply to mesh. Now if you want to add more cuts and damage, you can go back to your brushes, select this orb slash or this one, and then add more cuts here like this. Then go to trim dynamic and smooth these corners out. Like this. So that's pretty much it. This is one of the ways to sculpt stylized rocks in ZBrush, and you can go to this sub tool and then enable all those other rocks and repeat the same thing here. So I'm just going to finish this video here, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And as I told you in our last video, there's a mini course going on for the members of this channel. So if you want to get access to that course, consider joining the channel and get a membership. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.